Welcome to Neon Cobra. Before we jump in, can I please ask you to like and subscribe to the channel? I'm hoping to grow some viewership so we can do more of this fun stuff. And with that, let's kick into it. All right, so this week it's going to be probably a little bit of a quick one, but I want to talk about an upcoming expiration for the Windows Remote Desktop app. So anybody that's leveraging Azure Virtual Desktop likely has been deploying the RDP or the AVD app because there's been a couple of flavors of it out there. But effective May 27th, 2025, the remote desktop app for Windows will no longer be receiving updates, nor will it be supported. So it's going to be kind of a silent failure. And if you're not really on top of it, you could potentially expose yourself or have entire outages once the app is offline entirely. So you want to make sure that you do get this upgraded. Now, the big question is, what are my options? Well, it is being replaced with the Windows app. Now, the Windows app is really just a big facelift. It does support all of the same functionality, and predominantly as the only way to get it has been through the Windows Store. Now, Microsoft does have the ability to download it now via MSIX, either in 64, 32, or ARM64, which is great. And one of the advantages is the newer versions of this will self auto update. So you don't have to engage and ensure that they have access to the Windows App Store. I know this has been a concern for some enterprise organizations because the Windows App Store tends to install things without admin credentials. So a lot of extra stuff could be added onto the systems you do not want. So you could silently deploy this, and then people will log in with their credentials as they normally would, and then you'll have a uplifted, fancier looking interface. Now, one of the immediate changes that jumps out to me when I'm using it compared to the old RDP, whereas where you would have your workspaces kind of listed out with both the remote apps and everything, it will change it to the left where you'll have your devices, which is like your full-blown sessions, and then a second sections for apps, which will be your published applications. So a minor visual change, does look a little bit nicer and tends to conform and align with a lot of the Microsoft branding, which is an advantage if you're, invested in that kind of stuff. So I'll provide all the links to this. And if you have any questions, let me know. But this is something you should get on top of if you are an AVD transacting partner. So with that, we'll catch you next time.